Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Pruitt, and this is Tech Break here on TWiT TV. I wanted to hop in real quick and talk a few minutes about, stuff that's going on with the pandemic when it comes to photography and buying your photography gear. With it being a pandemic, a lot of people are trying to just watch their spending and watch their funds, and I get that. But then some folks are also deciding to take up new skills, new hobbies, and things of that nature, such as the good old world of photography. So when they're out shopping and looking for a camera to get started, they're going to be looking for the best deals that they can possibly find. This usually means going to the likes of the Amazons and the eBays and even the Craigslist and things of that nature. But with that said, you have to be careful with the products that you're buying, because you know what, that Canon DSLR that you've been eyeballing or what have you, and you end up getting your hands on it, it just may not be a legit Canon camera. It could be a counterfeit. Well, how can you protect yourself from this? Well, fortunately, the online the online marketplace tends to have certain things in place to keep us secure and protected as consumers. But every now and then things can slip through the cracks. So Canon has thought about this and put some tools in place to help us as consumers of their Canon products to be able to spot counterfeits. So if you go to the Canon USA website, we will have a link in the show notes because it's a pretty long description. It's basically a nice little site to walk you through and train you up on how to spot counterfeit products. It's pretty neat. Yeah, you can look at labels and look for serial numbers and things like that, but sometimes there's a little bit of nuance when it comes to spotting a counterfeit, because these counterfeiters are actually getting really, really good at creating these products that looks just like the actual original product that's out there on the market. So be careful, folks. I know you want to try to get your hands on the latest and greatest tech for the best value that you can, but be mindful and be careful of counterfeits that are out there. All right, that's going to do it for today's Tech Break. Thanks for watching. I'm Pruitt. Be sure to give me a follow and subscribe to my show, Hands on Photography. That's twit.tv/hop. And we'll see you next time.